Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jedi Training Academies. I'm Liam, here to show you guys how to hit really well. So what you're going to want to do, in order to hit, you need a bat. Now for this, you don't need to have any baseballs or any balls of the sort, okay? So what you're going to want to do is pretend that there's an imaginary plate in front of you. You can get like a hat, a glove, a pillowcase if you want, anything that you can set on the ground. Right here, I don't have anything for right now. So what you're going to want to do is I'm going to use this as my center line. You want to square up to where your plate is, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to tap your bat on the corner or on the sides of each plate, okay? Then what you want to do is set up in a normal hitting stance like this. So what it should look like, you should have your feet a little more than shoulder width apart, and your bat is going to sit up here. Now make sure that you keep this arm up. You want it to be up to transition into the rest of your hitting mechanics. Now hitting is very similar to your throwing mechanics. You're going to be still getting that same pivoting motion with your back foot, okay? And then the only thing that's different, instead of throwing a ball, you're going to be swinging a bat. So what you want to do is you want to take a stride, you want to take a step, practically double the distance that you're standing. Okay, you want to pull your hands back a little farther. You're going to pivot your legs here. So you want to come from here, you're going to stride, you're going to pivot, you're going to make sure this stays up, then you're going to follow through by pulling the knob. This is the knob of your bat. You want to pull the knob through like you're going to hit something. So what I'm going to show you guys to do, so what you want to do, I'm going to use these fence posts here. You're going to take it, you're going to take a step, you're going to pivot, and you're going to throw the knob forward and hit a pole or something. I'm using this fence post. So stride, pivot, knob, knob, knob. Tap it 3 times, then reset, knob, 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 3 times, reset, stride, pivot, knob, knob, knob. You want to bring from this arm being up so high, you want to pull it down to your hip. You want to pretty much smack it on your hip, but you don't want to ever touch. Then, once you come to your knob, you're going to flip your barrel over. So what that looks like, here, boom, knob, barrel, and finish. It's really simple, and what it should look like in full is this. Okay? So you're going to set up, you're going to square up, you're going to check your corners of the plate, okay? You're all set, wait for the picture to be ready. Okay, now you're going to stride, you're going to pivot, you're going to knob, you're going to finish like that, flipping the barrel and finishing. So, it should look like that. Now what you want to get used to is the weight of your bat. The more acute, the more, what's the word I'm looking for? The more comfortable you feel with your bat is going to be better. So, once you get to swinging it really fast, that's when you get good bat speed and it sends them out there. Catch you guys later on next time on the Jedi Training Academies. Make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. I'll catch you guys later.